Hey guys, we're out here at the office today putting in some material orders for this next coming week and the rest of this month. Anyways, I just wanted to bring something up with y'all. I know a lot of people were affected by the freeze and the floods and all the pipe bursts in their houses, and also with all the hailstorms going on. So make sure right now you are very patient with all your contractors you're using. Myself, a lot of my buddies, and a lot of other contractors that are out there, good reputable contractors, have been in this industry for a long time. There is a huge shortage on materials, everything from your lumber, your shingles, your sheetrock, your insulation, paint, all that kind of stuff right now. There is a delay on getting all those items, unlike normal. Normally I can go to any store, pick up whatever I want, load it up in the trucks and the trailers, get it out to your job and put you back together again. Right now there's a lot of specialty stuff. Our wood floors are behind. A little bit of everything is kind of going on right now, mainly because the pandemic going on along with the wildfires. We're still all trying to recoup. Everybody's kind of being in delay. So make sure whenever you are dealing with your contractor, it is not unnormal for them to be delayed on new materials coming in, stuff like that. So there's a lot of things going on in the world. Everybody is delayed a little bit on that. So just be very patient with all your contractors right now, putting everything back together again. And also there's a huge price increase. So don't be amazed when you do happen to see some of these estimates that are double what they used to be. The biggest one going on right now is like a 3/4 inch piece of basic plywood, a 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch. Used to be about a year ago, it was about $25-$30. Right now it's almost $95 to $100. And there's very short supply. Everybody's on back order, stuff like that. So just be very aware of that. Some of y'all's projects might need to be delayed a little bit to see if the lumber prices go down. But just like the housing market, everything is inflated right now due to the current shortage by everybody. So anyways, be patient with everybody. If y'all see some stuff, kind of let us know, because we're all struggling. We're going through every vendor we can. We're all working together as contractors, buddy to buddy, and trying to figure out where the best materials are coming from and who has them. So anyways, if y'all need anything, this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf Contractors.